Morning, guys. It's Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. Wednesday, we're gonna track down what's going on with the major currency pairs. Of course, should we switch some significant levels? We have, I would say, very good week so far. Good economic events, interest rate in Australia yesterday, construction PMI green for the UK, 9:30 GMT. It was released. Employment change red for the New Zealand dollar. We're gonna take a look at these charts in about a minute. Wednesday, important composite PMI, services PMI 9:30 GMT. President Lagarde is going to give a speech. 12:15 ADP non-farm payroll, of course. 1:15 GMT time. The event today, actually the most important one, ISM manufacturing. PMI in US, 3 p.m. also very important event. Crude oil inventories, every Wednesday. Thursday, we don't have a lot of events, only just the retail sales in Australia, and again another speech of President Lagarde. 8 a.m. in the morning GMT, and Friday, our lovely first Friday of the month. NFP unemployment rate 1:30 p.m. GMT, unemployment change 1:30 p.m. GMT for Canada, and IV PMI 3 p.m. So Canadian, US, GBP, this is in focus. So let's take a look what's going on. Euro US dollar, absolutely it started going down in order to test 1.1026. We discussed that on Monday. We are going in a downtrend for now. I'm bearish on the euro, right? And after this big bullish momentum last week, it's pretty likely, as you know, to see correction as it is happening. GBP US testing 1.30, very clear level, and I would say very strong. As you can see, tested 3 times here and here, 4, even if we consider this as a test, 5 times. This very strong support level 1.30, not gonna be surprised whatsoever if I see 1.2782. So we talk about 200 pips away from the current price. I am bearish on the Great British Pound. Careful with the short trades. Don't go too hard because it can go up in order to test again the resistance level. But for now, we are bearish. Australian US dollar tested the support 0.67. It was quite clear here, and going back, recovering to test 0.6754, 0.6769, this resistance zone. I'm gonna wait to see Australian what's gonna do after it touch this resistance zone. Until then, I'm not gonna take any shorts for sure. It's not for sure, but I'm totally bearish on the Australian US dollar. I want to see just how the price is gonna react around this level, and then I'm gonna take my decision. New Zealand US, quite similar. We got very strong bullish momentum yesterday, which is an indication of continuation to the upside. Now this drop is big, obviously, but we can say that this is a correction of this upward, we could even call it trend. 430 pips up and 300 pips down with strong bullish momentum. Careful with the buys. We can see definitely test of 0.6566, which is about 80-90 pips away from the current level. But just be careful because this is a very strong sell-off, so it can simply go down and break out 0.6451, our support level. So similar situation like this one. We got a momentum here, bullish momentum, like the correction, consider that as a correction, and just that the price didn't respect the support level and continued to the downside. So this is the plan for the New Zealand. It can go up. Yeah, there is a big chance to continue going up 0.6566 to test, but at the same time we can see breakout of 0.6451, so keep it conservative. USD Canadian jumping directly to crude oil. Crude oil is pushing to the downside. 50 is just reached the round number $50. We can even put this as round number, by the way, because it's very big round number. $50 per barrel. I'm gonna put this in. As you can see, we have a resistance zone 50.60, $50 per barrel, and I'm still expecting a slight recovery to the upside. We can see 2, 3, even $4 going up. So for now, crude oil is very bearish. I'm gonna looking for short opportunities. My long-term forecast is for $30 per barrel until the end of March, beginning of April. But until then, we for sure gonna see a couple of recoveries. USD Canadian. So if we see USD crude oil recovery to the upside, so we're gonna see simply USD Canadian going down. Something that tried to do yesterday. 34 pips is nothing in terms of momentum, and it's trying to push higher. It's staying right above resistance level, the resistance 1.3278. But I'm not quite confident that the price, yeah, is gonna test immediately 1.3339. I think we're gonna see slight recovery, and after that continuation to test the resistance here. So this depends on the crude oil, non-farm payroll. We have employment change we have on Friday for Canada. It's a matter of time to see. Until then, the numbers. USD Swiss, one of my favorite. We had a talk about this recovery, 0.97 testing here. Now this is crucial level. Is it gonna hold, or just is gonna continue to test and to create this big, very big range? Pretty likely to see 0.9762 again, exactly because of the range. And after that, looking for short opportunities on USD Swiss. Also, this is very strong resistance, 0.97. So just be careful again. I'm short. I'm going to wait for a short trade on the USD Swiss. If you're going to do this as well, just be careful with the volume. USD Japanese, my favorite. Dow, simply if you're following Dow Jones, it did just yesterday. We got very, very strong bullish session, stocks session, and I think we're gonna see a slight drop today and till the end of the week. Really depends where Dow Jones is gonna go, what direction is gonna take, and this is gonna give the direction for USD Japanese as well. So if we see negative Dow, we're gonna see negative USD Japanese. They haven't currency Japanese yet. We're gonna see growth of the Japanese and down of the USD Japanese yet. Again, it's very, very important to see the numbers of ADP non-farm employment change today and on Friday, of course. So this week for sure is gonna be very, very, very interesting. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed the video. Of course, thumbs up if you like the video, shares and like us on the social medias, comments below. If you want to reach, we know how to do it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course have a very, very profitable week. Enjoy it.